Happy Friday to all of you at Perry Elementary. Today is August 24th, 2018. It concludes our first full week of school. So with our first full week of school, and since today is Friday, we're going to do something fun every Friday, a little fun thing to kind of lighten the mood a little bit. So as we go into the weekend, we're having all big smiles on our faces and ready to come back to Perry Elementary on Monday. So today's first Friday fun activity is to make a funny face. So you can do antlers if you'd like. If you want to make yourself have googly eyes, go ahead and make googly eyes. If you want to do bunny ears behind you, feel free to make bunny ears. So make some funny faces. So let's do that. Turn to our neighbors and the classmates and see which one would be the funniest. I don't know if I can make a funny face, but all of you guys just do it. Oh, wait. I just made a whole bunch of funny faces. So feel free to make some funny faces to your neighbor. I'll give you 5 seconds. I'll give you 4 seconds to do so. I'll give you 3, 2, 1. No more funny faces. All right. Funny faces can be shown again at recess time. So for today, for lunch choices, we have fish nuggets with roll. Not my personal favorite, guys. Fish nuggets, I just don't like them. But maybe you do, and that's great. Hopefully, if you like them, go ahead and get them. Cheese pizza or chicken Caesar. And, of course, it's chicken Caesar salad. You have Cheez-Its with sweet potato bites. You have fresh baby carrots, crispy romaine, apples, oranges, mixed fruit, and apple slices. And, of course, there's always milk. So you always have milk there. Picture day. Picture day is Monday. So dress your best on picture day, which is Monday. You all got information about picture day, so all of you know the date. You just got to make sure you remind your parents about picture day on Monday. And then we have our pause for today, and then our students from Miss Foltz's class I have also chose to do positive attitude for our Friday. So I'll play a short video for them. Alright, for today the boys and girls thought today would be a great day to work on having a positive attitude. So things today to share. So we'll start out with Joel. Joel, what would you like to share about having a positive attitude?
Helping your friends.
And Autumn?
Always have a smile on your face. Keep calm.
All right. Those are great things. So, boys and girls, those are 3 great things that you can do about having a positive attitude. Of course, there's many more things I'm sure that you can do, but this is just 3 things that you can kind of apply for your day for today. All right, boys and girls, make sure that you have a positive attitude with everything that you do today. I know it's Friday. We want to have a lot of fun. I'm sure your teachers have lots of fun things for you planned. So let's end this week and end this first week of school on a positive attitude day. So at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Thank you. And let's all stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. Okay, boys and girls, we'll start out our Pledge of Allegiance. So you should be standing by now and having your hand over your heart. I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
All right, boys and girls, have a fabulous Friday. I'm sure I'll see many of you, if not all of you today, out in the halls or cafeteria or playground or in the classrooms. Let's show this week that we got it and we have it under control. And let's have a fabulous Friday day. Thank you.